Companies need accurate secondary sales and stock information from distributors for better sales planning and to ensure stock is available at the right time. To simplify the process of collecting this information without manual effort, the company is implementing the Zylem solution. This involves installing the Zylem software patch on distributor computers to collect secondary sales and stock information. Zylem software patch is a secure and automatic data extraction solution designed specifically for this purpose. It is designed to reduce your manual work of submitting reports. What is Zylem software patch? Zylem patch is a data extraction tool that connects to your existing DMS or ERP software and automatically collects information about our company's products only. There is no need for manual report preparation, creating files, or additional data entry. Once installed, the Zylem patch runs automatically in the background and collects data while you continue using your DMS or ERP as usual. This provides correct data to the company without manual work, saves time, and improves reporting efficiency. How the data flow works? The process works in 4 simple steps. First, Zylem securely connects to your ERP database. Second, it extracts only our company's product data. Third, the data is converted into structured format files. Finally, the file is securely uploaded to the Zylem server. A copy of the uploaded file always remains on your computer for reference. We understand that security is your biggest concern, and this solution has been designed with strong safeguards at every level. Zylem comes from a company that is ISO 27001 certified for secure software and standards. All data transfers happen through secure HTTPS connections. Zylem is hosted on world-class cloud platforms such as AWS or Azure and is secured with firewalls. Data backup is maintained on similar secure servers for additional safety. For security of your data, additional precautions are taken. Only our company's product data is collected. Your financial details are not collected. Other company data is not collected. We have signed an NDA with the Zylem vendor for data security, and strict access controls are followed throughout the process. You remain in full control and visibility of your data at all times. Our installation process. The Zylem patch is installed on your main server or computer without any changes to your existing ERP. You do not have to change your ERP. Your ERP is not modified. No additional manual data entry is required. Your current working process continues exactly as it is. Zylem patch installation typically takes 2 to 4 hours depending on your ERP and internet connection. Zylem patch is installed remotely using trusted software like TeamViewer. Remote access is taken only with your permission and under your coordination. ERP compatibility and system requirements. Zylem patch is compatible with most ERP systems. Minimum requirements for installation are shared separately and can also be checked with the support team. Cloud ERP scenario. If your ERP is hosted on the cloud, database or API access may be required in coordination with your ERP vendor. This will be explained during the feasibility discussion. Frequently asked questions. Here are answers to commonly asked questions. 1. Will Zylem collect our financial data? No, financial data is not collected. 2. Will Zylem collect other company data? No, only our company's product data is collected. 3. Will the system impact my ERP performance? No, your ERP continues to function normally. 4. Do you need help from my software vendor? Normally, no. It is required only if the Zylem team needs some clarification. 5. Is special training required? Basic guidance for troubleshooting and sending data will be provided during installation. 6. What happens if the system is formatted? The Zylem patch will need to be reinstalled. You will need to inform the company for reinstallation. 7. Is internet required? Yes. A stable broadband connection is required for installation and regular data upload. 8. Will data upload automatically? Yes, as per the scheduled time wherever automatic configuration is supported. Distributor support required? For smooth installation and correct data collection, we seek your cooperation for the following. Please group our company's products separately with the correct name. The Zylem team will check and guide you during feasibility or installation. Please provide access to your computer, DMS or ERP and database during setup. Please ensure you have a stable and good quality internet connection. Please extend necessary cooperation to the Zylem team executive during installation. With your support, installation can be completed smoothly and will start providing correct data. Zylem Patch is designed to simplify reporting, reduce manual effort, and build a stronger data-driven partnership between you and the company. It is secure, transparent, and built to support your business operations without disruption. We look forward to your cooperation and a successful installation.